If the player is getting the move and they want to move, if it let them move. For me, that will forever be my view. In fact, I'm not gonna say in fact, I'm not gonna say let's hold on to Mboraz or let's hold on to Saleh because we are scared that we're gonna lose the league if we don't. We have enough quality to win the league. In fact, without those people.
Yeah, but that
Fire
quality you
is
must
making a
compare
valid
it.
point.
Yes, you must compare it with your opposition's quality.
Is one down.
That's all. You can't just say you have quality. But if Sundowns have more quality than you,
Ndanga, hear
you're
this.
gonna come second best.
Now we've been crying about defense. Ngosibisi. Take
Sure.
nothing away from Sibisi.
Sure.
But Mbokazi mesingakhali kakhulu ngaye.
Sure.
For Mbokazi to go, there was a gap. Esinayo. Sesikhala ngokuthi kudlala uChabatsana.
Sure.
Nama was against what Fire is saying ukuthi a player should go, but now it's showing like itself ukuthi njengoba uMbokazi akahambile sesinenkinga laphaya and the nkinga mesinganayo first season njengoba uSaleng ahambile Saleng is doing wonders. Yes, we want Saleng to be happy, but nothing, we must take our brand first. At the end of the day, we can't let Sundowns to be busy winning the league because we want the players to be happy. The players have signed the contract. So now, if we are spanning, if I'm saying I'm going to sign a contract for 1 year, you must abide to that contract. It's not like you're doing anything wrong. Umbokazi mekangahamba at the end of the season. I think now I'm saying no.
You hear and then like this thing, it's painful because now we're crying for Chawazani to come in for Podela and we're not really sure to Chawazani what is he going to give us. Sure. We basing our like it's an emotional decision to say let's bring it can go like horribly wrong. Sure. That shows you that the depth that we lost, like the quality that we lost in that position. Still go back to it, management of it. Please, Buffett. If you want to chase Sundowns, they like whatever it takes to take the league. Let's use that mentality.
Strong,
like let's use that mentality. Look at them; they were fighting for that Ribeiro guy, who to not to leave. Those are the guys that want the league.
Sure.
So as if you're going to be nice and say, if you want to do this, then okay. Even when he comes again, we shouldn't complain. Sure. I think that's how we want to play it.
Sure.
When we come second best, because those guys want it more than you. It's clear that those guys want it more than you. When you come second, you can't complain, Ghost. If Bona they say I will do whatever it takes to take the league, and then when I say okay, it's fine. Rona, if we are content with what they have, if they want to go.